Okay, welcome to the kitchen. Again, we have another quick meal for you, and I like this one even better than the last one because this one we don't need any seasonings really. So let's go over the ingredients real quick and then let's get started. What we're gonna make is sorta sloppy joes, let's say sloppy biscuits. That's what we're gonna make. We're gonna get 1 pound of beef or hamburger. You could use turkey if you like. Manwich. One or the other, not both. We'll take a poll and see which one the people like. And Grands biscuits. Not the ones that flake, just solid ones like that. And we're gonna roll that out. We're gonna put the manwich inside of it, make a little pocket, and we're done. Alrighty. Let's get started. Okay, once you open the biscuits, you roll it out flat with a rolling pin, not too thin. See, they're still not that thin. Okay, and I'm only making 2 right now. I will be throwing down later. Just doing 2 for the video purposes. So now you roll that out, and then we'll go over to the stove and take a look at the hamburger. Okay, just a quick reminder, make sure you, when we put the biscuits in the oven, make sure you set your timer for 15 minutes. Okay, I just don't want you to forget, you gotta set the timer. Okay, so we got the dough ready. Now we gotta get the sauce or the sloppy joe. So we're up for a big question. Which one do we want? Original or bold? So to let the audience vote. Okay, ready? Get your votes in. Tell me how many for the original manwich, or how many people want the bold sloppy joe sauce. All right. Okay, when you're working with the hamburger, make sure you chop it up into small pieces like this. Just keep doing this over and over until it gets crumbly, into little crumblies, because you don't want big chunks. Trying to put it on that little biscuit. Okay? And while you're over here getting this all ready, if you got grease, you want to go ahead and drain it. I only had like 4%, so there's really no grease to drain for me. You want to get the oven set at 350, and then we'll get the sauce for the sloppy joes. Okay. Okay, so it looked like the bold sloppy joe sauce won. I was gonna pick original, but the audience is always right, and they say go with the bold. So you get this all stirred up in here, and while you're letting your oven get up to speed on the heat, just let this go ahead and cook on about a number 2. Let it just go ahead and savor it. And that's what that should look like. And we'll let that go ahead and cook. And we'll wait for the oven to ding ding so that we can put the biscuits in. And then we'll let it cook for 15 minutes and we'll be good to go. Okay, now that the oven is warmed up, we should prepare the biscuits and then stick them in the oven. So one thing I thought about is when you put when you try to put the sauce onto the biscuit, probably want to use a fork so it doesn't get soggy. So we'll just do one here, and you're only putting it on half the biscuit, and then you're going to flip it over and make it like a pocket. So not quite sure how much is enough because I've never done it before, but that looks like it should be enough. And then we'll put it over like that, and if possible try to seal it with the fork That doesn't look like it's sealing too good. There we go. And then you get those ready and you put those in the oven. Okay, so there goes your sloppy biscuits. But I like to go old school, so let me just make one quick adjustment. Be right back. Okay, I like, oops. I like my sloppy joes, or sloppy biscuits to be sloppy, so I added some on the top. And this is great for kids. And so we added some veggie chips. You know, you could have potato chips or something, but if you're trying to get kids to eat and eat healthy, get them some veggie chips from Whole Foods, about $4. Like, you know, you get your green beans. Interesting. So there you go.